Welcome back to the Celtic Texan. We're going to be looking at these 2403 motors. Now these are quite a bit wider and quite a bit shorter than most of the other motors that are normally used, but I hear that they're supposed to be super efficient. So I've got them on my really old, this is my first quad. This is that glass fiber ZMR 250. Now this thing is older than the crust in grandma's underwear, I gotta tell you. So this thing's running these D-Shot 300 ESCs and this Omnibus F4 type flight controller. Now this thing is, like I said, it is older than dirt. It's even running an old Flysky radio. It ain't even running my Tyrannus. So I'm going to take her out. See, I even got a Mobius on this dude, and I 3D printed that mount myself, but got a Mobius on it. I'm going to be running this 1500 milliamp hour battery, and again, this is Flysky. Got a 600 milliwatt transmitter in there, and I do have a micro Sparrow up underneath the hood down there, but we're going to go ahead and take her out, see how efficient this thing actually is. But I don't know. I'm curious to know if these super wide and super short motors will actually stay in the air longer than I care to fly. So let's take her out and let's see what happens. So here we are back at this little elementary school across from this big construction project, and as you can see, there's a little bit of shake in it, but I have a feeling that's down to the D-Shot 300 ESCs that are on this dude. But it's got plenty of power, keeps it in the air, not a problem. Hovers right around probably maybe 35-40% throttle, so she's got plenty of oomph left in her. They are efficient as anything, hover somewhere between 6 and 8 amps, and I got a nice, seriously long flight time out of this. I got 7 minutes and 48 seconds, and when I went back to put the juice back in the battery, it put only 931 milliamp hours in there, and it says I used 1048, so technically I actually used about 10% less, so it's probably hovering maybe even a little over 5 amps. So I'm happy with this dude, and you can be too. If you get him from Banggood, just let him know Celtic Texan sent you. So have fun, keep her in the air.